In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do aggressive shakes on CapCut. Aggressive shakes are perfect for action moments, beat drops, or dramatic reveals, and the good news is you can create them quickly with built-in tools. I'll walk you through it from a fresh project to a polished shake effect, keeping everything simple and clear. First, open CapCut. You can use the desktop app, the mobile app, or the web editor, whichever you prefer. If you're using the web version, make sure your connection is stable so previews play smoothly. Once you're in, you'll land in your workspace with access to your media and timeline. Next, create a new project. Pick the aspect ratio that matches where your video will live, like 16:9 for widescreen or 9:16 for vertical posts. Setting this now prevents awkward cropping later and keeps the shake consistent within your frame. Then, add your video. Import your clip and drag it onto the timeline so it becomes your main track. If the clip is long, trim it down first so the shake lands on the most important beats. This keeps the effect impactful rather than overwhelming. Now, click effects. In CapCut, you'll find it near the timeline or on the left panel, and you'll want the video effects section so the effect applies to the whole frame. Use the search bar and type shake. You should see a few options depending on your version. The standard shake is a solid starting point for an aggressive look. Apply it to your video. Drag the shake effect onto your clip, or select the clip and click to apply. You'll see the effect as a layer over the footage. Adjust the effect's duration by dragging its edges so the shake only happens where you want it, like on impacts or beat drops. Open the effect settings and fine-tune intensity, frequency, and motion blur to control how aggressive it feels. Higher intensity and frequency create a rapid, chaotic movement. Lower settings keep it punchy but readable. If the image crops too much, reduce the strength so key details stay in frame. For rhythm-based edits, line up the start of the effect with the beat by snapping the effect layer to visible peaks in the audio waveform. Before you move on, play the section to make sure the shake enhances the moment without causing distraction or motion sickness. Small adjustments go a long way, and a tiny tweak to intensity or duration can make the difference between messy and powerful. Save your project frequently so changes aren't lost. You're ready to create bold, aggressive shakes with confidence.